Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Siri and dictation history on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have, it is going to work the same as on mine. So if you want to delete a dictation and Siri history, you want to open settings, then you want to swipe down and go to the Siri and search. So click on this one, and here you're going to find a Siri and dictation history. You can swipe down, just tap on that one, and then click delete Siri and dictation history. It means that delete Siri and dictation interactions currently associated with this iPhone from Apple servers. So you can just click on this one and again click delete Siri and dictation history. So as you can see, your request is being processed, so your Siri and dictation history is going to be deleted. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!